So let me just cover quickly what are the elements of Super Admin Dashboard. Admin Dashboard, the first thing that you can do is you can create an event. I have already created an event that I want to cover in this demo, but still, if you want to create an event, you can simply click on Create Event. Here, you can fill in the event title, the URL for the event, the availability. If you want to keep the event public for people to join, whoever wants to, or you want to keep it private so that the people whom you have invited can only join this event. Next is event type. Is it going to be in-person, hybrid, or venue? If it is in-person, it will ask you to enter the address, location. And if it is hybrid, it will, again, ask you the address because it's going to be virtual and in-person, correct? And in virtual, you can post a complete event on our platform itself. Then the date and time, event time zone, the start time, start date, end time, end date and end time, and then other modules that you can select to use for this particular event. And by just filling up all this detail, click on create, and voila, you have the first event ready to manage. So here I already have one event card ready. If I had multiple events, I can click on recent. It will tell me the recent events that have been created in the last 7 days or are upcoming in the next 7 days. Then I have upcoming events that I can see, the events that have been completed. So right now I'm using just a free trial. So I have only one event right now.